Today, we're diving into Xar AI, touted as a top AI search API for developers. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's explore its features, potential drawbacks, and whether it's worth your time and investment. Xar AI positions itself as a powerful search API designed specifically for developers looking to integrate advanced search capabilities into their applications. At its core, Xar AI leverages AI-driven algorithms to enhance search relevance, making it easier to find the right data quickly. The user interface is clean and straightforward, which is a plus for developers who want to get started without a steep learning curve. What stands out is the API's flexibility, allowing customization to fit various use cases, whether it's for a small app or a larger enterprise solution. However, while the documentation is available, some might find it lacking in depth, especially when troubleshooting or implementing more complex features. Overall, Xar seems to cater well to developers who need efficient search solutions, but there are areas where clarity could be improved, particularly for those who are less experienced with API integrations. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Xar AI offers a robust set of features that can significantly enhance search functionality. Its ease of use is also a major plus, especially for developers who want to implement search quickly. However, there are some drawbacks. The documentation could definitely benefit from more detailed examples, which might frustrate users trying to maximize its capabilities. Additionally, while it's positioned as a leading API, the pricing structure isn't crystal clear, and potential users may want to dig deeper before committing. This API might not be the best fit for those seeking a fully managed solution or for developers who require extensive support. But for those who are comfortable navigating API integrations and want a solid search tool, Xar AI could be a great choice. In conclusion, Xar AI has a lot to offer for developers looking for an AI-powered search API, especially if you value flexibility and ease of use. However, if detailed documentation and transparent pricing are high on your priority list, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth checking out if you're in the market for a capable search solution.